I'm trying to take off this, and I don't really want to damage that. I want to put a pry bar in there. I'm going to put a bit of steel in between them if I can. Fucking whip out the big pan. See how she goes. I have to think of a different method. It's not going to come off that easy. Fuck this, I just ripped out that joke. I want to just see how she goes from here. See if it can go up. Oh, you fucking nearly stabbed myself in the eye, man! Coming! There she's coming. I think you just need to cut that sealer. Sound, yeah, it's just stuck on us all. What have we got? What have we got? Look at what we got. Just double-sided tape on it. She's double-sided tape. Oh, we're onto something there. You fucker, you. Look at that. Boom. That should be it, kind of off, more or less ready to just pull it off. Shit! A little on the easy side, eh? A little on the easy side. Well, that's a one canopy ready to come off.
Congratulations, you're on the right side. That's a fascinating one. Yeah, deep on the blue. Just really think that way. You need all of it. You need masculinity and femininity. Okay, be whatever you are, but you don't need it. If you want to tell us you play football, that they're toxic masculinity. Well, like super aggressive.
That's right.
Natural masculine behavior. What about toxic? It's all toxic. That term as applied. But these are all terms that created this toxic thing. The language is being created before our eyes. Yeah, there's all these new words that are just meant to one
That's starting to look somewhat better. That looks very crusty. Suppose we'll have to cut that cable tie. Cut. That must have been holding up hopes and dreams. Yeah, we'll just cut them cable ties now and just give that a knock there for the crack away. Oh, oh, oh! Look, that's the one. That's the one. Tap, tap, tap. That's one way to gain access to your bolts. Knock the fucking 3 layers of rust off her. Look at the thickness of that, like. It's insane. Oh, Toyotas, they don't make them like they used to, do they? Trusty snips. Class. Great ease. Must put a bit of WD-40 on them. They could do it a bit of WD-40. I don't use my snips that much now. I don't do snipping too much. Right. That's some debauchery, isn't it? Let's see where that wire's going to. Oh, sure, look. Oh, sure, look. She's coming up to here. We'll cut it there because that means that I can't mess the wires up, really. Oh, there they are. Somebody was at them up here before, so what I'll do is I'll just snip and snip. I don't want to cross the wires. One at a time. And then he goes to fucking cut right across the wire then as well, the madman. Cut it at an angle. There you go. So that's at least that. At least that's now able to come down. And Jesus Christ, yeah, the debauchery. Yeah. We'll let that dangle for a few. Oh no, it doesn't even need to dangle. Gosh, leaf springs in her. Wrap it around it. No need to worry. Come here, you. I'll hang you out of that now, boy. Come here to me now, you Bolt. You saying Bolt? Give me your pincher now. A little punch. And that's the tow bar ready to fall down. Oh yes, look what happened. I didn't even get to put the camera on for it to fall. She just fell down now by itself. I don't know what happened. This wasn't bolted on or nothing. Somebody cut the bolts. How why? Couldn't even undo a bolt. Terrible. Jeez. Dirty. Dirty anchor. Come here. Oh, that's one piece off. Now let's get the bumper off, huh? Not looking forward to that one bit now, boy. That's some amount of rust. That is some amount of rust. It's only the start of it. Now let's try with the 19 anyway. See how it goes. Fucking help if you put it on the breaker. Oh Jesus, she's tight now. Just don't spin, you cunt. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Would you believe that's a 19 on that? And I'd say the bottom one was a 19, but it's just corroded that much. It's a fucking 18. Jesus, that's tight. Right, I just hope it's not spinning the fucking... She doesn't want to get the 18 on it anyway, doesn't it? It doesn't want to get the 18 on it. I just nearly have it off. Alright, well, we had 118 the far side and 119. Now I'm also thinking that it might have just been the corrosion. Do you know what we will do there though? Uncorroded like we did the far side. Give me that thread. Big lump of rust that just fell off there, lads. A big lump of rust. The hanging bracket and the exhaust is broken. Sure, no wonder that was wobbling. Jesus Christ, what would you expect when you don't know? The only thing we're expecting now to see is Pat must have walked in the door. Is that an 18? No. Is that an 18? No. The other bolt must have just been so corroded that it just said, today is not my day to be 19 anymore, lads. I identify as an 18. That's why I probably done that. Let's go for it. Come on! What are you playing at? I know I took it off there, but I'm trying to... The angle on it is just not good for me. Stick that on there. The angle is just not good. Come on, you now, stop your fucking messing. Get under. Right. Let's hope and pray and hope that you come on nice. All you were waiting for was a splatter off the face there, the bumper. A few fucking broken teeth on the front. Lovely. Oh.
Ah, Jesus. Me pearly whites. Me pearly whites.
Let's see if we can get it with the ratchet. Yeah, boy, yeah. You're just waiting for it now, aren't you? Aiming for it. Oh, Jesus. She caught me off guard. Just slides down when you loosen the front, when you loosen the back ones, and the front ones come off, she just slides down. That's handy. Whew. That caught me by surprise. Right. Yeah, that looks like shit. That just looks like shit. Right, well, we're playing a little bit of a dangerous game. I want to nip them little off there, so without hitting the wire, let's try our best. There's one off. Let's try and get the second one. Oh yeah. That's not going to fit in there. Fuck you. The bumper disappeared. I got pissed off and I said to myself, give me them snips. That's exactly what I said to myself. So, I think we'll tie it up there now and that. The canopy is ready to come off. We'll get that off tomorrow. Yeah. I might just try and loosen up the bolts underneath and I'll see how I go. But for this one, that's it, lads. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment what you think of the build or what you think of this restoration. Is it salvageable? She's fair crusty.